Let's see about the dashboard management. So it's a smart analytics overview. So it will be shown up here, unread chat and how many templates and how many active bots will be there. And that is, if you want, in case you have to book the demo from the support team, there is a book demo option right placed here. And if you want to generate a WhatsApp link to your particular API number, you have to place your API number right there and you have to message. That was a trigger message, and you just click that copy link and you can be able to use it right there. And if you want to generate a QR, there is a QR code generator. You just open it and paste your API number and you have to give the trigger message. So this will be used in the automation also, and once it gets generated, you can able to download it or in a copy code link. And the next was WhatsApp widget. So if you want a website WhatsApp widget, there is you have an identifiable terms. You have to give your API number and brand name, subtitle, and the image URL, and the appearance where should be in that appear in the website, and you have to give the behavior like on screen image and the timing. Everything will have given, and once everything is done, you just generated the snap. Just copy this and work it to your website and it will be integrated. Then there is a profile things, you just view it, and there is a message quota also, so you can able to see how many per day limit will be over.